Overdue rent is the worst nightmare of a property manager and an investor. The rent stops, the income stops. Therefore, it's really important that we keep the focus on recovering the rental arrears and getting in touch with the tenant is going smooth. When we contact the tenant feels that we are taking care of them too. There could be many reasons. The volatile markets, some health scenarios that has happened to them, or loss of job. Keeping in touch with them will allow us to understand and let the landlord know why this is happening. So, on the very first day of the rental arrears, we should be able to get in touch with the tenant. Give them a call. 5 seconds, sometimes it could take 1 minute, but that's worth. We know what's happening. Then we follow it up with an email and do the conversation. We might not get any response. That's where we need to be worried. We'll do again. We'll try again in another 3 days. Nothing happens, then the best thing for us is to go and check for their welfare. Something could have happened. Tenant would have gone back and not come back to the country, or lost something and they are really lost in there. So we really need to care for them as much as we do to the landlord, and that will take care of our landlord. Therefore, the first thing we do, the very first day we call them, the second we do a welfare check. Yes, we go there, we need to give them a 24-hour notice. We go into the property, check whether the tenant's fine. Then we will know what's happened. If the tenant's there, or we can see if the tenant has been living there for a couple of days, that means something else is happening. Sometimes it could be a willful defaulter. There we come. On the 15th day, we are supposed to send the termination to the tenant. There onwards, it's with the VCAT or the tribunal that we can recover through. This will come in the next episode, and I will give you a detailed explanation of the tribunal process and termination options that we have. See you again.